everyone, today we are going to see how to remove the Etag header on the IIS server. We are going to use proxy tool like Burp Suite to intercept the request. Let us go to the IIS server and check the website URL. Open the web browser and capture the request within Burp Suite and analyze the corresponding response. Upon examining, you will notice that the Etag header is visible. Let's see how to remove the Etag header. Go to the IIS server and open the configuration file of the IIS server. We have to add open angular bracket static content closing angular bracket open angular bracket client cache set etag is equal to false / closing angular bracket open angular bracket / static content closing angular bracket inside the system.webserver section in the configuration file of the IIS server, which is located at c/netpub/www.root/test/web.config. Let us save the file and restart the IIS service. Now we will send the same request from the Burp Suite and observe the response. As you can see, the Etag header has been successfully removed from the response headers. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more cyber security related videos.